What's up, everybody? So, day 3. Yes, it's in the middle of the day, and I literally did not have time to record this morning a morning clip, which I probably won't every day do that. But hey, it's day 3. I mean, we're getting there. Did want to say, I'm gonna move the trap out a little bit. Did want to say, start our, at least for the July 4th. Obviously, this is being uploaded on the 3rd. The second vlog was uploaded today that I recorded yesterday. Confusing, but that's just how it works here. I did want to say that the 4th of July, I actually wanted to record that video and upload it on the 4th of July, not the 5th. So you're going to do this video on the 3rd, and then on the 4th, you're not going to get a video at 8 a.m., rather a video later in the day on that day of me recording that day, uploaded that day. Makes sense? Great. How are you guys doing? I'm enjoying the feedback so far that I'm getting from all these vlogs. It's great to, have my friends comment and say, all these nice things and everything. It's great. It's great to see, and yeah, I'm enjoying this quite a bit actually. Obviously it's been a busy few days for myself, but I mean that doesn't go without me putting forth effort. I'm actually doing this vlog thing, even though I'm busy, because I'm having fun with it. And as you can see, my new recording studio is kind of this podcast setup here, which we're getting a new addition to tomorrow, the 3rd. So I'm actually not going to be recording on the 3rd. Maybe I could anyway. Maybe you'll get a double upload tomorrow. Wouldn't that be cool? Get a double upload? That's actually not a bad idea. Yeah, I might do a double upload, everybody. Or I could do a double upload today. Nah, I'm gonna leave this one for the 3rd. Anyway, yeah, I'm having fun. It's a learning experience, learning groove, just learning how to do it. I'm sorry that every thumbnail is probably gonna be that red box with text. That seems to work out best for myself. I might just start doing random things from the video, which I feel like that's like a lot of people do when they do vlogs. Because nothing I really have is clickbait. So I don't really have anything like that, and neither do I want clickbait or anything like that. What you're coming here to see is what you're gonna get. It's me. um, it's not much more than that. Did you guys enjoy my Indiana Jones review, which was also uploaded yesterday, I do believe? Um, yeah. Also, views are great. I love that. As soon as I see like someone that liked my video, like a thumbs up, huge. Excuse me, sorry. That is huge to me. The fact that someone actually went another way and liked my video. Yes, it could be my friends. Even that's fine though. I mean, I got zero. I got nothing against people sending videos to their friends or what. I do that. I do that myself. I have no problem with you trying to get more, like, people trying to get views from their friends to start off with. Because I don't got a lot of viewers, and I enjoy my friends watching my content, appreciate my content, because I appreciate any of my friends' content that I see of theirs. Like Jizzy Kitty Music, he literally commented on my first day video. He also told me personally he was going to try to be here every day for the whole month. And I told him, that's great. You don't have to be there every day, but I appreciate that he even said that. That alone is crazy to me, that I have cool enough friends, that want to watch my content, and I'll do the same for them. I've encouraged Demon Zeke to get back on YouTube for years now, and with this podcast and these vlogs, it is a step in doing just that. I'm excited for the podcast to start up. We still got, technical stuff, and we got to figure out like I said, we're getting a new addition to it tomorrow. That I might do a double upload tomorrow, because I do want to vlog that. I might do a double upload every once in a while for these vlogs. That doesn't count the movie reviews because that's just what I do anyway. But, other stuff. But yeah. Down in event tonight for the 4th of July. Gonna be hanging out with some friends. I'll probably record then. So, unless I think of anything other to say, see you then.
No, it's just wet.
Over this way, Sam.
Yeah, you gotta kind of come over here and you just see it through the trees.
Yeah, we're over here.
You can go down in the yard and see them too.
Oh yeah, that's a point.
Can you see them, Gord?
Big bug.
I can see him.
Can you see them?
Yep.
Shannon, if you come over here, or you watching him on the phone?
No, I was just checking something real quick.
They said they were setting
Oh,
them
good
up on a barge this year.
Oh, and there's some over on the other side of the lake.
Come
I
on
just
down.
saw some. Somebody.
And that was right on the money, 9:45.
Oh, I know. I'm so tired. Ooh, you're nice and warm. That feels good.
Oh, wow.
No, I have a stiff muscle like right where your hands are. So it feels good.
Across the way, directly across.
Yep.
Sam?
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah,
Yeah, we just got those trees. I'm just kidding.
I was like in classic Andrew
Fashion, you're gonna miss all of it.
No, I went to the bathroom. Oh, well, how?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Come on. There they go.
Hands back. Keep getting distracted by lightning bugs. No, down here for you. I don't know. Sometimes they like to trick you.
Yeah, now they know that.
He loves these things.
Yeah. Where does Johnny get his fireworks?
Get a license, so
Oh.
you probably can get them, places that so sometimes we go through you might get.
He gets adult fireworks.
Well, they have big ones there, not the ones down here, the ones down here.
Those are adult fireworks.
He might not, bring some ones inside there.
I did.
So we're ending day 3 off. It was a good day. Unfortunately, I wasn't really able to film, at the get together. It's because it's kind of a private thing. But got to see some fireworks. Sorry that the quality's bad. They were quite a ways away. And zooming in on pretty much any phone and any camera is painful. Unless you got the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, which I can't afford. So, yeah. But I enjoyed today. It was great. It was successful. And just another reminder that there will not be a pre-uploaded video at 8 a.m. for the July 4th. Because I'm going to record on the July 4th and then upload it on July 4th. And I'm probably going to have to do that for July 5th as well. And at some point, I'll probably get back to the pre-recorded schedule because it works out better. Anyway, thank you guys all for watching. See you tomorrow.